Hi guys, so I just came inside for a quick break. I've been planting all day and it got really hot outside and I started to burn really badly. So I was like, well, I'm gonna make some vegetable markers because we're gonna need those and I can do it inside and take a break from the heat. So I just thought maybe some of you would be interested in seeing how we made these. I'll just turn the camera around and show you my little setup right now. So on the counter here, you can probably see I just have some posts. These are about 2 inches wide, and then I think we made them about 15 to 20 inches tall so that they can kind of sit a little bit deeper in the ground here. These are just pine. My grandpa has a bunch of pine and some saws, so he cut these to size for us. But yeah, so I'm just going to take some chalk paint that I have over here and just paint it on in a thin coat and then just write the name on it. Okay, so this is what I used to draw on these. It's just a paint pen and I did it in white, and then the tip I used was this chisel because I thought it would work a lot better than having like a fine tip. But here's how they turned out, and I definitely messed up on the zucchini one, but I mean nothing else starts with a Z, so I'm gonna know what that is. But yeah, I thought they turned out really cute, so I'm gonna just run out and put them in the garden and I'll show you guys how that works. So here's that. I thought they turned out really cute. Our cilantro and basil isn't growing yet, but the parsley actually came up from last year, so as you can see, that's actually looking really good.